When I was growing up as a little girl in southern Louisiana, should be Mississippi, but we'll just say Louisiana for camera's sake. When I was a little girl, my grandmother used to store her used cooking oil in containers like this. So I was really, really surprised, Carla, to come into your home and find a container like this. It just amazes me.
You know who she
So, I mean, here we are. Look at this. It's just unbelievable. Look at this. Here we are in Pearland, Texas, and we find a container of used cooking oil at the stove. It's just amazing. Now, let me see if I understand this, beloved. Okay. You just repeated what you saw as a young girl. And you did what you saw your mother do. There comes a time when you have to stop repeating the pattern. You're doing what you saw your mother do, and your mother did what she saw her mother do. Beloved, you've got to stand in your truth. There comes a time when you have to stop repeating the pattern, or else this thing called life is just going to gather you up and it's just going to suck you in and it's just going to destroy you. What you've got to do is you have got to own it. Own it. Own the grease. Okay? Now, this is what we're going to, you're not going to stay here tonight. I'm going to take you to your own private hotel, and I'm going to give you 24 hours to think about what you have to do, the next step. Okay? That's a cut. That's a wrap.